Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tara Tutorials. Yesterday I installed OBS Studio, that is basically screen recorder software, and it is a freeware so everybody can install it. But since I'm using the Windows 10 operating system and after installation of the software I felt that there was a black screen and I was not able to use it. I was not able to capture the screen. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways. By changing those settings, 100% your problem will be resolved. So let's start the video. Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials. Well, as you can see that I have just opened the OBS Studio to record the screen, and I have selected the display capture and the audio input interface. And after that, when I click on the start recording button, now it should record the screen, okay? But I will do some changes here to see whether it is able to record the screen or not. Now I will open the OBS Studio again and I will click on the stop recording to check whether the video has been created or not. So to check the video, you have to go to your username, then you have to select the video folder, and I can see the file has been created, but when I try to run the file, you can see the black screen. The screen is not recorded. So this is the issues you can also face, that black screen issues. So first you have to go to settings. So type settings. Now you have to go to system settings and you have to go to display settings here. Go down. At last there is an option called graphic setting. Come here, and since you have to browse and you have to add the OBS Studio here. Since I have already added, but I will show you how to add it. Click on the browse button, and after that you have to locate the OBS Studio 64-bit or 32-bit depending upon the installation type, this file in your computer. So go to C drive, go to program files, then select OBS Studio and then go to bin folder, then go to 64-bit folder, and here you can see the application file OBS 64. Add it. Just click on the add and close the window. So OBS Studio will be added here like this. Now you need to click on that, and here in the option there are 3 options: system default, power saving, and high performance. You need to choose the power saving option. Click on the save button, and that's it. So this is the first solution. Okay, now close it. Now what you have to do is you have to click on the start button, choose the OBS Studio from the list, click on the drop down menu, then you can see the OBS Studio 64. Since my computer is 64-bit operating system, right click on it, go to more and open the file location. Here, once the file location is opened, just right click on it and go to properties. Then go to compatibility issues, and here you need to click on the compatibility issues here. Since I have already done it, so it will not show you here. Then there are compatibility mode here. So what you have to do is that from this window, this kind of dialog box will open. Here from the list you need to select the Windows 7, and here at below you need to check this box, run this program as an administrator, apply and OK. So this is the second task which you need to do. Now the last, what you have to do is close this window, right click on it, go to an NVIDIA control panel. It takes seconds, some few seconds to open the interface, and here click on the manage 3D settings. Here you can see the two tabs, global settings and program settings. Click on the program settings. Okay, now you have to click on the add button. So in your case, the OBS Studio will not be in the list. In my case, it is in the list because I have added it. What you have to do is you need to click on the browse button, and again you need to follow the same procedure. You need to locate the file of the OBS 64.exe. So go to C drive, program files, then OBS Studio, then here go to bin 64-bit and OBS Studio. Select this file and open. So once you open it, that file will get added in the list. Okay. After that, you can see select the preferred graphic processor for this program. So from the drop down list, you will see the three options. You need to choose the integrated graphics. Then apply and OK. That's it. So after that, close this window. And then when you restart your OBS Studio program, then you will able to see the screen. So simply if I remove this, simply if you add the video display capture, click OK, so you can see the screen, and now it will record. So it will certainly help you to fix the black screen issues. I have faced these issues, so I thought I must share with you all. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.